What's up, Cardfighters? Clark here from Vanguard Central, coming at you with a Touken Ranbu Sneak Peek opening. So we just got these in on Friday at our local card shop, Core TCG. So our promo is Mikazuki Munechika. So got our dude over here. So let's get started. So first pack. Alright, in our first pack we got Souza Samonji. Ukurikara, looks like Chad from Bleach. Hirano Toshiro, the draw trigger. Midare Toshiro, so this looks like a trap, if you know what I mean. Maeda Toshiro, Jesus, excuse my Japanese names. And Yaman Bagiri Kuhiro are rare. A starter and another starter, Kushi Kiyomitsu. Alright, both pretty cool cards. Let us know down in the comments below what you think of the set and if anyone's going to be running it. So, next we have Nikari Ro. Oops. Hamazu Toshiro. And then Yamabushi Kunihiro, grade 3, common. Another draw trigger, Hirano Toshiro, Yagen Toshiro, a lot of Toshiros. And then Naki Gitsune. They have a skill called Homer. And then our first double rare is the stride, Tarutachi. Yeah, they got some pretty cool strides in Touken Ranbu. On to the next pack. We did get Honebami Toshiro. Okay. Yamatoni Kami Yasuda. Jeez. Souza Samanji. Aizen Kunitoshi. Alright. Another Maeda Toshiro stand. Two rares, Kasen Kasada, Kanesada, and Mutsuno Kami Yoshiyuki. Pretty cool armor. Alright, and then we do have our last pack here. Hope for the money on this one. Something good besides a double rare. So let's go with Heshiriki Nasebi, Horikawa Kunihiro, okay. Ketaga, what's it? Ketal, Sae Samanji, Yagen Toshiro, Hai Chizuki Kotetsu is our rare, and a Jirotachi is our rare. So it's okay of a sneak peek, not too bad. I'm sure once the whole set comes out, you can make the deck pretty easily. It doesn't look like this set is gonna get a lot of support. I mean, there's a lot of draw triggers, but who knows what's gonna happen. But I mean, pretty cool. I mean, we really enjoy the male diverseness of this group, so pretty cool set. Let us know if you have any questions, comments. We will be making a deck once the actual booster set comes out, so stay tuned for that. Vanguard Central out.